Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys know that the hottest Android phone right now is the Nothing Phone 1 because the company is grilling the Phone 1 to absolute perfection. We already know some information about the device like its pricing that has been leaked already, but now we have more amazing confirmation that review why this device is going to be an ultimate Android phone of 2022 in mid-range category devices. So starting with the first of a confirmation about the device is that it's going to be coming with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Yes, you hear right, the Nothing Phone 1 will be coming with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is absolutely great. Because if you look at all the mid-range category devices, both in the lower and the upper budget, you did not see any kind of ultrasonic fingerprint scanner support in them. Having this ultrasonic fingerprint scanner will be a major thing to come in the Nothing Phone 1, just because that it's going to be a reliable and more accurate than the optical scanner. So I'm very happy to see that they have got this detail right. Other than that, we have the camera confirmation for the upcoming Nothing Phone 1, in which the main sensor is coming with a 50 megapixel of Sony IMX766 sensor. And along with that, it's also going to be supported by optical image stabilization with 4K video recording. Again, something that a lot of other mid-range smartphones miss on this detail, which is absolutely crucial for that great image quality in low light as well as stabilization with the 4K video. With this Phone 1, you can also have the ability to record the video in 10-bit colors, which means that we are going to get a good colors in photos and videos. Although we did not get the video samples, but here are some of the few samples coming for Nothing Phone 1 main camera sensor. Now we have the other camera sensor, which is going to be an ultra wide lens, which also acts as a macro sensor to take those macro photos. Unlike other brands that are coming with a mediocre 2 or 5 megapixel macro lens, even at $500 or $600 price range. It's awesome that Nothing Phone has added this functionality with ultra wide lens, no need for extra useless camera sensor. Now there is no dedicated zoom lens, so the Phone 1 will probably give you 2 times for the zoom shot, and you don't expect a crazy zoom performance in the upcoming Nothing Phone 1, and the quality of the images will be decent. Now moving forward, the Nothing Phone 1 will be coming with 120Hz of refresh rate screen that is optimized for 60Hz as well. When the phone is not in use, the phone shifted towards the 60Hz and it will help out in getting more battery. And talking about the batteries and charging, we have the recent certification coming for the Nothing Phone 1 that it's going to be supported up to 33 watt of fast charging. Internally, it's packing a Snapdragon 778G chip, and probably we can understand why Nothing has went toward this processor, because they have spent the rest of the budget on things that will make the smartphone experience better. Like we have the 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, optical image stabilization with the main camera, and of course a good ultra wide lens that doubles as a macro lens. Along with that, don't forget we have a even bezel display up front, which is going to look absolutely incredible. Something that most brands can't do, because it's actually require a foldable OLED display at the edge in order to achieve this look. So it's all looking pretty good for Phone 1, and I can definitely tell that Nothing Phone has grilled their first device to an absolute perfection. Again, all will be unveiled officially on July 12, and I'm super excited about that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.